Welcome back to Her Home Is. I'm Tammy, the host of the channel, and for today's video we are setting up tree number 5 here in my home, but this is actually the first larger tree for the kitchen. So let's get this tree unboxed, fluffed, put together and put in the space. So you guys follow us along.
Days later.
This is that tree fluffed, and as you can see it has warm white lights, and this is actually one of the trees for the kitchen. It is actually 7.5 foot. This link will be in the description box. And you guys, I purchased this tree last year, and the tag on the box said $79.99, and honestly, I thought I paid $89.99 for it, but this is that tree. Like I say, dare to be amazed how many trees is going in this house is the question. Drop a comment and let me know what you think. But in the meantime, we're going to put this tree where it belongs, and as you can see, it's next to that other Tech tree. I'm going to drop the links for all of these trees in the description box. Right now I have 5 trees up. You should be done caught all of the videos. You should be done watched all of the videos. I will drop the links for all of the trees down in the description. And like I say, we're on the road to Christmasizing. You heard me correct. We are Christmasizing my home for Christmas 2023. But let's put this tree where it's going, and I'm going to just tell you guys, when we put this tree in the space, this tree will not, as of yet, I don't think I'm doing any decorations on these trees, because this is one of my trees for the kitchen. So let's put it in place, and let's see what that looks like. is what tree number 1 looks like, and tree number 2 is going over there. It's already dark, but we're gonna hurry up and wrap this video up with tree number 1. We're going to get get my kitchen together, or we may just end this video here and we'll have to come back and do tree 2 here. But this is what I'm going for, the no ornament look. But then again, that may change, and if it does, you guys, you know we're just doing gold, cream, and white in the space. We have the other 2 trees there. The table is going through a transformation, and you guys, look at him, look at here. But we are loving it, loving it, loving it. We are bringing some different curtains in as well. I have to get those out of the building, you guys. We have so much stuff that we're trying to unpack, and I'm also unpacking, and I'm actually getting rid of a lot of stuff, you guys, because we do, after Christmas, make sure you're staying tuned after the Christmas videos, you guys. We're taking you on this other journey with us. So with that being said, I think I'm going to end the video here. If I don't, make sure you keep watching to the end. We may keep going, but I have to get some footage off of this SD card. So with that being said, and I do think I'll end here, you guys, and that way we'll come back and get in the other tree and change out all of my counters. Told you real life going on here. We're going to change out the counters, but we're finna to get it Christmatized, and I'm going to be restationing my vacuum because we have something else. We still have some more things coming in, but that's it, you guys. Make sure you drop me a comment. Make sure you come back on tomorrow for another video. Continue to still share the channel with your family and friends. We're on that road to that 10K. We also are on the road to getting the channel monetized. We are about 1,100 hours off my hiatus during my sickness. For those 3 months, I actually lost quite a bit of watch time hours. So you guys, make sure you watch my watch time playlist. Let that play. Share with your family and friends. Put it on your phone, your tablet, your TV. Matter of fact, put it on in and everything. Let that thing play. And you guys, I thank you so very much. All right, now if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive, so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. We'll see you guys in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. And don't forget to subscribe to Her Home Is, Her Tablescapes, Glam Queen DIY, Luxe Vlogs, and Her Shorts. We will add a video to her shorts to easily find the channel.